Your real estate and mortgage process faster, easier, smoother and cheaper with Rohit Mohan of Intero Real Estate and Calcos Financial.
For more information, log on to rohitmohan.com or call 510-579-5211.
बे एरिया में आ रहे हैं हम सब के विघ्नहर्ता एक दंता विघ्नेश्वरा बे एरिया 4 राजा इन येट अनदर न्यू अवतार। क्या आप है तैयार?
World of Divine Vastu, Dwarka Organics and Hathi Brand Foods bring to you the pride of Bay Area, Radio Zindagi Ganesh Utsav 2025. On 6th and 7th September at New Park Mall, Newark.
2 days of Ganesh Darshan, Aartis, spectacular performances, Lazim, Dhol Dasha, food, shopping, kids zone and much more.
Grocery partners, India Cash and Carry. Ice cream partners, Vadilal.
Gold sponsors, Lakshmi Brand Foods, Realtor Lavanya Duvi and Divine Intuitions.
Silver sponsors, Realtor Rachna Wankhade. PNG Jewelers, State Bank of India, California. Kids Zone brought to you by Genius Kids.
For booths and sponsorship, call 510-387-5381. And for more information, visit radiozindagi.com/Ganesh Utsav.
धूम मचा ले जिंदगी with RJ शर्वरी।
अगर आप भी अपने लोकल स्टार्स विद इंटरनेशनल टैलेंट्स को सुनना चाहते हैं या आप खुद गाना चाहते हैं तो आज ही संपर्क करें sing@dml यानी कि SINGAT@dml.com।
Let's be vocal for local। तो धूम मचा ले हर सोमवार की शाम अपने सितारे अपना मकाम शाम 8 बजे से ओनली ऑन रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM।
फासलों पे रहते हैं फिर भी नजदीक हैं, दूरियां मीलों की हैं फिर भी करीब हैं। फासलों पे रहते हैं फिर भी नजदीक हैं, दूरियां मीलों की हैं फिर भी करीब हैं। 7 समंदर दूर नहीं है, इन फासलों को कम करना हम जाने। इन आवाज़ों से हमको पहचाने, आपके दिल को आए बहलाने। इन आवाज़ों से हमको पहचाने, आपके दिल को आए बहलाने। रेडियो जिंदगी।
Welcome to Dhoom Machali Zindagi. This is your host, Dr. Sharvari Dixit, bringing you once again Radio Zindagi's most important program. That's my opinion. And this program is called Dhoom Machali Zindagi for a particular reason. Here we feature musings of musical memories from my mind and wonderful Bollywood music from the original artists and films. This evening, our focus is the lyricist Anand Bakshi. Anand Bakshi ji was born on 21st July 1930 and he unfortunately passed away several years ago on 30th March 2002. He was an Indian poet and a lyricist. He won several Filmfare Awards for the Best Lyricist, in fact 4 times during his career, and he wrote over 6,000 film songs in more than 300 films. It's incredible, just incredible. He was born in Rawalpindi, Punjab during the time of the British Raj, and he passed away in Mumbai, Maharashtra. His journey for his entire life of 71 years, from Rawalpindi in Punjab all the way to Mumbai, was spent being extremely active. In his early life, he was born into a Mohyal Brahmin family. The family arrived in Delhi after the partition of India and migrated to Pune, then to Meerut, and finally settled in Delhi. Anand Bakshi was fond of writing poetry ever since his young days, but mostly as a hobby. Here's the first song that can tell you something about his wonderful imagination. The song is Waiting for the Seasons, waiting for the rains, in a most romantic way. The film is Ajnabi, made in 1974, and the song by Lata and Kishore, Bhigi Bhigi Raaton Mein. मीठी मीठी बातों में, ऐसा लगता है
भीगी भीगी रातों में, मीठी मीठी बातों में, ऐसी बरसातों में कैसा लगता है? हाँ,
ऐसा लगता है तुम बनते बादल, मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो, छेड़ रहे हो। ऐसा लगता है तुम बनते बादल, मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो, छेड़ रहे हो।
ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके घटा, अपने सजन को भिगो के खेल रही हो, खेल रही हो।
ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके बादल, मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो, छेड़ रहे हो।
बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे, सीने से लगा लूं, आ छुपा लूं, आ छुपा लूं। बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे, सीने से लगा लूं, आ छुपा लूं, आ छुपा लूं। दिल ने पुकारा देखो, रुत का इशारा देखो, उफ ये नजारा देखो, कैसा लगता है? बोलो।
ऐसा लगता है कुछ हो जाएगा, मस्त पवन के ये झूठे सैया देख रहे हो, देख रहे हो। ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके बादल, मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो, छेड़ रहे हो।
You have successfully tuned in to the Voice of Life, GHL.
Welcome back to Dhoom Machale Zindagi. This is your host, Dr. Sharvari Dixit. And this evening, in our program, our focus is the lyricist, Anand Bakshi. As I told you, Anand Bakshi was born on 21st July 1930 in Rawalpindi, Punjab. From an early age, he was fond of writing poetry. But he mostly did it as a hobby. In 1983, he had an interview in Doordarshan where Bakshi recounted that after his initial studies, he joined the Indian Navy, where, because of shortage of time, he could only write occasionally. He continued to write poetry whenever time permitted. That was something that he enjoyed doing, and it was his hobby. He used to write songs and lyrics in local programs related to his troops. And he worked in the Navy for many years, simultaneously tried to market his songs in the Mumbai film world. So he was a little savvy about things. Once he realized that his songs were good and were liked by his friends, he started to write them properly as songs. Now this makes me think that since he used to write songs and lyrics in local programs related to his troops, he might actually have been able to sing them as well. You know that you're writing poetry when it has a certain meter, a certain rhythm, and there's a certain ending phrase that matches for every line or every so many lines in a paragraph, so that each stanza or verse has a flow that can be sung. There are a lot of things that go into the singability of a song, right? And as I sing, I can tell you from experience that when a song has been written very well, it's a pleasure to sing it. The meaning holds so much more importance when the lyrics rhyme and it flows well. Let's move on to the next song, which will give you an example of this. The song is from the film Kati Patang. The singer is Kishore Kumar. The music director Rahul Dev Burman. And the song is Ye Shaam Mastani Madhosh Kiye Jaye. मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. दूर रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं. ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंस के जहर कोई पिए जाए. शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा. बात जब मैं करूं मुझे रोक देती है क्यों, तेरी मीठी नजर मुझे टोक देती है क्यों. तेरी हया तेरी शर्म तेरी कसम मेरे होठ सिए जाए. शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा. एक रूठी हुई तकदीर जैसे कोई, खामोश ऐसे है तू तस्वीर जैसे कोई. तेरी नजर बन के जुबान लेकिन तेरे पैगाम दिए जाए. शाम
Wondering how to get your kids into a top college? Smart parents start early. At Empowerly, our counselors help students build competitive profiles through personalized guidance on academics, extracurriculars, and essays. From Ivy League dreams to finding the perfect fit school, we've helped thousands of families get results. Last year, 98% of our students got into a top US college. Learn how at empowerly.com/RZ. That's EMPOWERLY.com/RZ.
एक दास्तां सदियों पुरानी, संगीत में लिपटी एक अनोखी प्रेम कहानी. वैष्णवी मिश्रा डांस एंड म्यूजिक एंड रेडियो जिंदगी प्राउडली प्रेजेंट वसंत सेना.
A musical that takes you back 2500 years ago in ancient Ujjaini, where Vasant Sena loves Charudat, torn by duty and desire. Dhruta, his wife, stands divided by dignity. So enjoy this ancient Indian theatre play in English on Saturday 23rd August.
2 shows only, 2:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. at Smith Center, Jackson Theatre, Fremont. Book your tickets now at sulekha.com.
Water should be pure, odorless, and crystal clear. What water definitely should not be is hard. So say goodbye to hard water or bottled water and say hello to crystal clear water. With Puronix water treatment system, enjoy great tasting water straight from your tap, along with softer, smoother skin and hair. Discover the benefits of Puronix in your home by scheduling a free water consultation.
Call 925-456-1699 or visit trypuronix.com.
That's TRYPURONICS.com. Puronix, the clear way to enjoy water.
Puronix makes it clear to see what a better place the world can be. Great tasting pure water straight from the tap.
Tune in to Sampoorna Ayurveda show with me, Neera, every Wednesday, 3:30 to 4 p.m., where I will share my research and experience of Ayurveda, astrology and Vastu of over 21 years. These deep insights from the Vedas will help you make healthy choices for a better living for you and your loved ones.
सरप्राइज! बिन बुलाए मेहमानों का तो कोई पता नहीं, लेकिन बाहर से आ रहे मेहमानों का हमेशा पता करें, क्योंकि उनके आने से पहले हमें लेना है विजिटर इंश्योरेंस,
वो भी visitorplans.com से।
Visitor Insurance Plan. Quote, compare and buy online at visitorplans.com. Plan available with acute onset of pre-existing conditions. Help in claim process.
For more information, log on to visitorplans.com or call 855-5-VISITOR.
Sai itna dijiye, jame kutum samaye. Sai has given you enough. Now it's your opportunity to donate generously and inscribe your name permanently in Sai's wall of donors. Our beautiful Shirdi Sai Darbar located at 255 San Geronimo Way, Sunnyvale, has temple construction in progress. So let's step forward, donate with open heart and give a valuable gift to the next several generations. For details, visit shirdisaidarbar.org or call 408-482-0089.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. जिए जा।
बेबी मेरी बात सुनो तो सही।
यार मैं भी तो कुछ कह रही थी, मेरी बात की वैल्यू नहीं है मतलब।
हाँ लेकिन मेरी तो सुन लो।
Excuse me, तुम्हें मेरे इशारों पे नाचना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर मैं नहीं होंगी तो तुम्हारी सुनेगा कौन?
अरे सुनेगी ना, देखो अभी। एलेक्सा, प्ले रेडियो जिंदगी SFO।
Playing Radio Zindagi.
Welcome back to Dhoom Machale Zindagi. We're talking about Anand Bakshi, the lyricist, in this program. Anand Bakshi came to Hindi films to make a name for himself in writing and singing. See, I was telling you, he must have been able to sing because his forte was in writing songs, not just poetry, but songs. So, he came to Hindi films to make a name for himself in writing and singing. But he ended up becoming more successful in just writing, not singing. He got his first break writing songs in the Brij Mohan film called Bhala Aadmi. That was 1958. And the actor at that time was the most popular actor of those times, Bhagwan Dada. He wrote songs and was paid a sum of 150 rupees for 4 songs. This is a hefty income, I would say, at that time. 150 rupees for 4 songs. And he wrote 4 songs for the music director, Nisar Bazmi or Nisar Bazmi. His first song in this film was Dharti Ke Lal Na Kar Itna Malal, which was recorded on 9th November 1956. Let's move on to the next song in our lineup, which is from a beautiful film. The film was Balika Badhu, made from the Bengali original Balika Bodhu. This film was made in 1976. The music was by R.D. Burman. And this song was sung by Amit Kumar, Kishore Kumar's son. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम. Let's enjoy this song together.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं
क्या?
ये धरती, ये नदिया, ये रहना और तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं। ये धरती, ये नदिया, ये रहना और तुम। हम तुम कितने पास हैं, कितने दूर हैं चांद सितारे। सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे। हम तुम कितने पास हैं, कितने दूर हैं चांद सितारे। सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे, मगर सच्चे लगते हैं। ये धरती, ये नदिया, ये रहना और तुम। सबको छोड़ के कैसे कल सुबह जाओगी। मेरे साथ इन्हें भी तो तुम याद बहुत आओगी। तुम इन सबको छोड़ के कैसे कल सुबह जाओगी। मेरे साथ इन्हें भी तो तुम याद बहुत आओगी। बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदिया, ये रहना और तुम। बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं।
अरे ओ सांभा, कितने स्टेशंस थे रे?
अरे कालिया, लगता है सरदार की सटक गई है। बार बार वही सवाल। अरे बताया तो दो। रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 और दूसरा सुनो 87.7 FM।
धीरे धीरे बोल, कोई सुनना नहीं।
सुने जा, जिए जा, और सांभा तू गोली खा।
अब ठीक है।
ये बजे तो दिल धड़के, ये रहे तो अपना सा लगे।
रेडियो जिंदगी, जिसके बिना सब अधूरा सा लगे। तो सुने जा और जिए जा।
Welcome back to Dhoom Machale Zindagi. This is your host, Dr. Sharvari Dixit. In our program this evening, we are talking about Anand Bakshi, the lyricist of many songs. Do you know how many songs? Almost 6,000 songs in 300 films. He wrote for a few movies from 1958 and experienced his first round of huge success in 1962. The movie was Mehndi Lagi Mere Haath. The music director was Kalyanji Anandji and Raj Kapoor was the producer. Anand Bakshi later made another mark for himself, writing a qawwali for the 1962 film Kala Samandar, and the song was Meri Tasveer Lekar Kya Karoge Tum, produced by N. Datta. He got his real big breakthrough in a 1965 film, Himalay Ki Good Mein, and again in 1965 with a super duper hit film, Jab Jab Phool Khile, starring Shashi Kapoor. Both movies, Himalay Ki Good Mein and Jab Jab Phool Khile, were composed by, the songs in those movies were composed by Kalyanji Anandji and written, of course, by Anand Bakshi. And yet again, in 1967, just 2 years later, there was a super hit movie, Milan, starring Sunil Dutt and Nutan. There is several of these hit films. So we're talking about from the time around 1962 when he first found his big success until 1967. There were 6 hit films into which his entry into films got cemented, and he got himself the status of a successful lyrics writer. Let's go to the next song in our lineup, which is a beautiful song. It's from the movie Mr. X in Bombay. The singer is, of course, fabulous Kishore Kumar, and the music director Lakshmikant Pyarelal. The song is Mere Mehboob Qayamat Hogi, Aaj Ruswa Teri Galiyon Mein Mohabbat Hogi. The lyrics are so beautiful. The haunting melody of this song will live with you forever. Let's enjoy this together.
मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी, मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती हैं, तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझ से शिकायत होगी, मेरे महबूब। तेरी गली में आता सनम, नगमा वफा का गाता सनम, तुझसे सुनाना जाता सनम, फिर आज इधर आया हूँ मगर ये कहने मैं दीवाना, खत्म बस आज ये वहशत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी, मेरे महबूब। मेरी तरह तू आहें भरे, तू भी किसी से प्यार करे, और रहे वो तुझसे परे, तूने ओ सनम ढाए है सितम, तो ये तू भूल न जाना कि न तुझ पे भी इनायत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी, मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी, मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती हैं, तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझ से शिकायत हो।
जिए जा।
This August, thrill meets theatre in the Bay Area. Enjoy Saurabh Shukla's gripping thriller drama Barf, a phenomenal theatre play. on 16th August. 2 shows, 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. at HUSD Auditorium, Hayward.
For tickets, visit sulekha.com. Also, group booking now open for Saurabh Shukla's chilling masterpiece, Barf. Use code MOVINGFEET10 and enjoy best viewing experience with your friends and family.
To avail 10% discount on tickets, use code SUNO.
सैयारा मतलब तारों में एक तन्हा तारा खुद जल के जो रोशन करते जगे सारा.
The roller coaster ride of new age romance, जहां म्यूजिक है, थ्रिल है, हार्ट ब्रेक है और एक ऐसी कहानी जो छू लेगी हर दिल को.
Starring Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda.
Presented by Aditya Chopra, directed by Mohit Suri and produced by Akshay Vidhani. Feel the love, passion and joy. Releasing on 18th July in your nearby theatres. It's a Yash Raj Films release.
क्या आप जानते हैं कि सार्वजनिक सुरक्षा बिजली कटौती यानी पब्लिक सेफ्टी पावर शट ऑफ से पहले, उसके दौरान और बाद में चिकित्सा आवश्यकता लोगों के लिए संसाधन उपलब्ध है. हम आपके पोर्टेबल बैकअप बिजली के लिए आवेदन करने, बिजली कटौती के दौरान ADA सुलभ कार यात्रा और होटल में ठहरने तथा बिजली कटौती के बाद भोजन की व्यवस्था करने में मदद कर सकते हैं. अधिक जानकारी के लिए pge.com/afn पर जाएं.
When young children are part of routine and interactive activities, keeping them engaged and stimulated, they develop a sense of belonging and self-confidence. This cannot be achieved at home when as parents you have endless tasks to complete yourself. Preschool not only teaches independence, your child will learn to cooperate, share and handle conflict. Explore the Genius Kids preschool and pre-K options by calling the Genius Kids Fremont Maori campus for a tour at 510-713-2431 or visit geniuskidsonline.com.
India Community Center is your one-stop destination to make memories for your events like weddings, sangeet, jagos, anniversaries, birthdays, baby showers, graduations, quinceañeras and corporate events. Our facility can host 25 to 800 guests.
We have in-house event planners, decorators, caterers, photo and videographers, or we can work with your vendors to make everlasting memories. Visit indiacc.org or email info@indiacc.org or call Deepak Chopra at 669-877-4541. Step into luxury in Fremont. Picture this. Your own private oasis with a sparkling pool, a cricket cage with an automatic bowling machine, indulgent sauna and steam bath, cutting-edge gym and professional recording studio. This isn't just a home, it's your personal resort located in an excellent school district.
Why dream when you can live it? This rare gem won't wait.
Visit FremontDreamHome.com. That's FremontDreamHome.com. Or call Kiran Rohra at 408-621-4078 for your exclusive tour.
Don't let someone else claim your slice of paradise. Your extraordinary life begins at FremontDreamHome.com.
दुनिया की इस भीड़ में अपनों का पता है रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM.
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए.
So keep listening to Radio Zindagi 1550 AM. जिए जा.
आप हमारी जान बन गए.
Welcome back to Dhoom Machale Zindagi. Anand Bakshi was a preferred lyricist by several different artists. Rajesh Khanna preferred Anand Bakshi's lyric for films where Rajesh Khanna was the lead. He went on to work as a lyricist of over 6,000 songs in more than 300 films in his career. He got another break as a singer. Did you know? I didn't know this. I thought he wanted to sing and he had come to sing, but he hadn't actually sung. But when I was researching, I found that he had sung. He got a break as a singer in the film directed by Mohan Kumar. The film was Mom Ki Guriya. It was made in 1972. And the first song that he sang was a duet. With whom? With Lata Mangeshkar. Can you imagine? So he can't have been such a bad singer. Which was the song that he sang? Baagon mein bahar aayi, hothon pe pukar aayi. I've heard this song. I couldn't find the track, but that was the song, and it's a nice song. It was composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal. Later, he also sang a solo, Main Dhoond Raha Tha Sapnon Mein, from the same film, and I have not heard that second song. He also sang songs in 4 other films. Sholay, where he sang the Qawwali song Chand Sa Koi Chehra along with Kishore Kumar and Manna Dey, and Bhupinder. The song was released on vinyl but not in the film. So that's why I don't remember hearing it. And then he sang for another movie called Mahachor, the song, and Charas. The song was Aaja Teri Yaad Aayi. And he also sang a song for Balika Badhu, but I can't remember which one. But I'm going to play you one of his songs right now. It's a beautiful song and I love it. The film was Bobby, made in 1973. The music composer was Lakshmikant Pyarelal and the singer was Shailendra Singh. The song was मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ऐ हसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई.
मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई. मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई. मैं आशिक तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको आशिकी आ गई. मैं शायर तो नहीं. प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर. प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर. मैं तो उलझा रहा उलझनों की तरह दोस्तों में रहा दुश्मनों की तरह. मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको दोस्ती आ गई. मैं शायर तो नहीं.
यार मैं अपनी बात तुझसे समझा नहीं पाता या वो मेरी बात समझ नहीं पाती.
भाई वो समझना ही नहीं चाहता.
अबे तो वो नहीं समझेगी तो कौन समझेगा मेरी बात?
रेडियो जिंदगी समझेगा ना एलेक्सा पे.
ओके एलेक्सा ओपन रेडियो जिंदगी SFO.
Playing Radio Zindagi.
हाइला समझ गई.
Welcome back to Dhoom Machale Zindagi. This evening we are talking about the lyricist from Hindi films Anand Bakshi. I'm your host, Dr. Sharbari Dixit. So this the quirkiness of information is that we get pieces of information about Anand Bakshi ji. We heard that he loved writing poetry and he used to do that as a hobby. As he grew older and went into the armed forces for a living, he found that he had very few hours in which he could enjoy this hobby of writing songs. And so he switched from writing only poetry to actually writing songs. And he used to perform these in programs related to his troops. They must have been very well appreciated because he soon started to try to market them into Hindi films. And then he moved to Mumbai and became a film lyricist. His first notable success was Himalay Ki Good Mein, the film. He also, rather than just be a lyricist, he also sang. He sang about 4 songs or 4 to 5 songs in films with moderate success, I would say. Bakshi was widely associated with some music composers. The notable ones were Lakshmikant Pyarelal, R.D. Burman, Kalyanji Anandji, S.D. Varman, Anu Malik, Rajesh Roshan, and Anand Milind. His songs have been sung by all the top singers as well as well-known singers like Shamshad Begum, Ela Arun, Khurshid Bawra, Amir Bai Karnataki, Sudha Malhotra and others. He is known to have worked with more than one generation of music composers. Let's move on to the next song of our lineup today. The song is Chitti Na Koi Sandesh. The movie was Dushman in 1998. And the singer, one of my most favorite singers, Jagjit Singh. The music director was one that I have not heard of so many times. The music director was Uttam Singh. Let's enjoy this song together.
चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश जाने वो कौन सा देश जहां तुम चले गई चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश जाने वो कौन सा देश जहां तुम चले गई चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश जाने वो कौन सा देश जहां तुम चले गए जहां तुम चले गए इस दिल पे लगा के ठेस जाने वो कौन सा देश जहां तुम चले गए उस वक्त कहाँ थे हम कहाँ तुम चले गए चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए जहाँ तुम चले गए इस दिल पे लगा के ठेस जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए
guess what? I'm just a few points away from being Stanford ready.
What? How do you even know that?
You know the college readiness quiz by Empowerly? Well, I took that. It gave me an Empowerly score. You know what that is, right, Mom? It's a college admissions calculator that provides a score based on academics, extracurriculars, and essays. It said if I boost my SAT, I can be in range.
That's amazing. So what's next?
They offer one-to-one counseling too. I booked our free consult at empowerly.com/RZ.
Know where you stand in the college admissions process. Start at empowerly.com/RZ. Bay Area, are you ready? Bay Area Events Hub in association with Radio Zindagi presents
Balam Navratri with full-on Gujarati tadka and Desi Masti, featuring the rock star of Ras Garba, Gujarat nu Gaurav, Jigardan Gadvi.
The king of New Age Garba, Jigardan Gadvi is back. Live on 23rd August at Kathleen MacDonald High School, San Jose. Free parking.
Tickets available on sulekha.com. For more information and sponsorship, call 408-921-4756 or 510-771-4610.
सैयारा मतलब तारों में एक तन्हा तारा खुद जल के जो रोशन करते जगे सारा.
The roller coaster ride of new age romance, जहां म्यूजिक है, थ्रिल है, हार्ट ब्रेक है और एक ऐसी कहानी जो छू लेगी हर दिल को.
Starring Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda.
Presented by Aditya Chopra, directed by Mohit Suri, and produced by Akshay Vidhani. Feel the love, passion, and joy. Releasing on 18th July in your nearby theatres. It's a Yash Raj Films release.
जय माता दी, आपके अपने मंदिर शिव दुर्गा टेम्पल ऑफ बे एरिया में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मंदिर में नियमित रूप से प्रत्येक सोमवार को रुद्राभिषेक, मंगलवार को 7 हनुमान चालीसा पाठ और गुरुवार को साईं भजन का आयोजन होता है। महीने के तीसरे शनिवार को सुंदरकांड और महीने के आखिरी शुक्रवार को माता की चौकी का आयोजन होता है। इनमें आप सम्मिलित या किसी भी एक को स्पॉन्सर कर सकते हैं। अधिक जानकारी के लिए theshivdurgatemple.org पर जा सकते हैं या हमको फेसबुक पर फॉलो कर सकते हैं। जय माता की। धूम मचा ले जिंदगी विद आरजे शर्वरी।
अगर आप भी अपने लोकल स्टार्स विद इंटरनेशनल टैलेंट्स को सुनना चाहते हैं या आप खुद गाना चाहते हैं तो आज ही संपर्क करें sing@dml यानी कि SINGAT@dml@gmail.com।
लेट्स बी वोकल फॉर लोकल। तो धूम मचा ले हर सोमवार की शाम अपने सितारे अपना मकाम शाम 8 बजे से ओनली ऑन रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM।
Welcome back to Dhoom Machali Zindagi. This is your host, Dr. Sharvari Dixit. This evening, we have been talking about the lyricist, Anand Bakshi ji. Anand Bakshi ji has written some of my favorite songs. And if you listen to the Binaka Geet Mala successes and his awards for as Filmfare Best Lyricist Awards, everyone else also thought he was really good. The songs we've played for you this evening have been wonderful examples of his work. Bhigi Bhigi Raaton Mein from the movie Ajnabi. Ye Shaam Mastani Madhosh Kiye Jaye. Mujhe Dor Koi Khinche Teri Or Liye Jaye. From Kati Patang. Bade अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम. From the film Balika Badhu, sung by Amit Kumar. Also the song मेरे महबूब क़यामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी. From the movie Mr. X in Bombay, sung by Kishore Kumar, of course. Who else can sing that song? The song मैं शायर तो नहीं, from the film Bobby, sung by Shailendra Singh. चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, from the movie Dushman, sung by Jagjit Singh. And now we come to the final song from this film. I told you, Rajesh Khanna thought he was one of his favorite lyricists and he preferred to have him in his films. Well, which other film do you think you can have Aradhana, Rajesh Khanna and Anand Bakshi together? The super duper blockbuster in which Rajesh Khanna was paired with Sharmila Tagore for the first time. Aradhana, made in 1969. The music composer was S.D. Burman and the singer, one and only, Kishore Kumar. With this, I bid you goodbye and let's enjoy the song together. Until next week. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू?
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया। प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की कलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही हैं। प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की कलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही हैं। गीत पनघट पे किस दिन गाएगी तू? मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया। सी खिल के पास आ दिल के, दूर से मिल के चैन आए। फूल सी खिल के पास आ दिल के, दूर से मिल के चैन आए। और कब तक मुझे तड़पाएगी तू? मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया। क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए? क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए? आ गया तो बहुत पछताएगी तू। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया, चलिया तू चलिया, चलिया तू चलिया।
एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए सिर्फ 3 चीजें चाहिए।
अरे मैडम, ये डायलॉग हो गया पुराना। अब एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए चाहिए सिर्फ 2 कदम। रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM और सुनो 87.7 FM। तो सुने जा और जिए जा।